Alright, quick download on Maryland's casino numbers. For September 2025, the headline, $151.5 million in gaming revenue. From slots and table games. That's 151,535 to be exact. Year over year, it's down 5% from September 2024. Now, what the state actually gets. Contributions totaled $64,949,631 in September. That's down 10.7% year over year. The Education Trust Fund received $46,806,687, also down 10.7%. Zooming out to the first quarter of fiscal year 2026, July through September. Casino gaming revenue is down 3.1% versus FY25 Q1. Contributions to the state are down 2.3%. Remember, the money doesn't just go to education, host communities, Maryland's horse racing industry, small minority and women-owned businesses. Let's break down September by property. MGM National Harbor in Prince George's County on $189,011, down $3,763,048 or 5.6% versus last September. 2,249 slots, 205 tables. Live, casino and hotel in Anne Arundel County for 19,583, down 4,606 and 7 or 7.8%. 3,849 slots, 179 tables. Horseshoe Casino Baltimore, 14,489, up 885, 421, a 6.7% increase year over year. 1,365 slots, 115 tables. Ocean Downs Casino in Worcester County, 8,421, 318, down 336,787 or 3.8%. 900 slots, 18 tables. Hollywood Casino Perryville in Cecil County, 6,351, 137, down 308, 913 or 4.6%. 654 slots, 15 tables. Rocky Gap Casino Resort in Allegheny County, $4,648,171, up $224,032 or 5.1%. 630 slots, 12 tables. So the story for September, softer revenue across most properties, with Horseshoe Baltimore and Rocky Gap bucking the trend. The bigger impact shows up in contributions, down more than revenue, which can happen based on mix and timing. Why it matters, these monthly swings affect funding for the Education Trust Fund and other beneficiaries. Even with a down month, we're still talking tens of millions flowing to public priorities. If you want to dive deeper, Maryland Lottery and Gaming posts the monthly reports at mdgaming.com. They handle regulatory oversight, financials, security, licensing. Quick recap. Statewide revenue, $151.5 million, down 5% year over year. State contributions, $64.9 million, down 10.7%. ETF, $46.8 million in September. FY26 Q1 versus FY25 Q1, revenue down 3.1%, contributions down 2.3%. Standouts, Horseshoe Baltimore up 6.7%, Rocky Gap up 5.1%. If you enjoy these fast breakdowns, hit like so I know to keep them coming. And if you're gambling, set limits and play responsibly. For confidential help at no cost, call 1-800-GAMBLER or visit mdgamblinghelp.org. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.